Okay, we have a song today called Tiger Mountain Peasant Song by Fleet Foxes. What a great name for a song. The lyrics are cryptic and the song winds its way and it's beautiful. Listen to the song if you haven't. We can play the song on accordion. I'll show you how I play it, the same way that I do in the performance. I play it differently than other songs that I play. A lot more legato, so we'll cover that. First, let's do the right hand. I'll do a playback. I'll play a phrase twice, pause the video, I'll play the next phrase twice, you pause the video, you try and play it. We'll do it that way. So the song is in G minor, and then it goes to C major, 7, and then F, and then B flat major 7. And those are the 4 chords that the song winds around, that the melody winds around. So get your fingers ready on the G minor. First, let's do the intro. So it's... You try. And then... And then... And then... The whole first part. You do that over the chords. But that's what it is. Essentially, it's a G minor to a C7 to an F major to a B major, B flat major 7. And we're just breaking it up. Ba 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 da da. Right? Good. And now the melody starts. Wanderers this morning came by. Same chords. So we start off in the B flat. Again. You try. And then easy. Right? So that's... Next. So that's... You try. So the first time it goes... Second time... Does that 3 times, that ending. It helps to know the melody of the song because then you realize, oh, it's all right there, right? So second time it does the same thing. I like to complete the chords, so a multi-fingered melody works well in this song. And that's just, right? Right? The second time, you'll see that the chords, instead of going... So it's a different ending on the right hand. And that's the verse. The whole verse. Second time. Different ending. The chorus. Whoa! It's in B flat. You try. Again. Try that phrase. Right, so that verse goes again. And then it goes to the verse again. Now, after the second chorus, right? It does this beautiful dip to a D minor. And it's just two chords there, two chords and two notes. A, G. And then the outro, the ending to the song goes. Try again. It's up to interpretation, right? The words are, I don't know what I have done. I'm turning myself into a demon. The chords are B flat major to A flat to B flat. So or yeah, and then it ends with a la 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 la. So that's from B flat. That's G minor to C major. So and I like to harmonize on that after, going same la 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 la, except I'm going from the F. And sometimes I do a multi-fingered melody, so it's good. I don't think it's difficult. Refer to the sheet music. The left hand, I do, in this song I do, oh, the big bag of chips is right here. What I do with the left hand is I do a muted bass, if you have it. So instead of, it's, and I do a alternate bass pattern. Right, so it's G, G minor, D, C, C major, G, F, F major, C, B flat major, F, da 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 da, ba da da, ba da da, ba da da, right? And legato as much as you can. That's just to differentiate the song before we kick up the bass into the right, it's an papa, it's a waltz, but we're going and that jump, right, that you have to land that, so that would require practice. And then I switch to just a staccato papa, just to give the song some breathing room. There's nothing tricky about the song. I love the song. I just haven't played it in a really long time. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions.